Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your admin email address in WordPress, step by step, updated. Whether you've taken over a website or just want to replace an old email with a new one, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process in under 5 minutes. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, your WordPress admin email will be successfully updated and verified. Let's jump right in. Access WordPress first. Head over to wordpress.com. This is your main gateway to access your website settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Click it. If you want to speed things up, you can choose Continue with Google and select the Google account that's linked to your website. This is the fastest and most secure way to log in. Open account settings. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, look at the top right corner again. Click on your profile photo. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account Settings. This section contains all the important details related to your WordPress account, including your admin email. Update your email address. Inside the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Email Address. Here, you'll see your current admin email. Click on the editable field and type in your new email address before moving on. Double check for typos. Your admin email is the main point of contact for notifications, password resets, and important updates from WordPress. So accuracy here is key. Save your changes. Once you've entered your new email, scroll down and click Save Account Settings. You might see a confirmation message saying your email change has been saved. And sometimes WordPress will send a verification link to your new address. If that happens, simply open your inbox and click Confirm Email Change to finalize the update. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.